Here's how to fix the keyboard not working in BlueStacks 5. Working through the most common causes in order. Start by testing your keyboard on the BlueStacks home screen or in a browser like Chrome. If it works there but not inside a game, the issue is almost certainly with the game controls rather than your keyboard itself. Open the game, look for the keyboard icon on the right toolbar, and click it to open the controls menu. Make sure game controls are enabled. They can be toggled off accidentally. Press Ctrl-Shift-A to open the controls editor and verify your keys are correctly assigned. If the game controls are fine, the next most common cause is the on-screen keyboard interfering with your physical keyboard. BlueStacks disables physical keyboard input when the virtual keyboard is active. Go to System Apps, then Settings, then select IME, and turn off the on-screen keyboard to restore physical keyboard functionality. After that, restart BlueStacks completely. Sometimes a simple restart resolves input issues that seem persistent. If still not working, restart your entire PC to clear any software conflicts. Check for BlueStacks updates under Settings, then About, then Check for Updates. Keyboard bugs are frequently fixed in newer versions. If typing still fails in text fields, go to System Apps, then Settings, then Apps. Find Android Keyboard or AOSP Keyboard. Open Storage and Cache, and clear both the data and cache. Restart BlueStacks after. Finally, disconnect any unused game controllers and close any keyboard remapping or macro software running in the background. These can silently interfere with input. If nothing works, a clean reinstall of BlueStacks typically resolves any remaining issues. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button